Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create account, your account cannot be created at this time issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to create your Apple ID but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you create Apple account easily. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device. And then you have to scroll it below, tap on general, then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below, and from here go to date and time and set your date and time from here, and after this go back and now tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and after this go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. After this go back and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings, and from here enter your passcode and reset your network settings for one time. And after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply make it sure that your internet connection is working properly and you are using a strong internet connection as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below, tap on screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions if it is on. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart the device, and now you have to simply open any browser and search here for appleid.apple.com. Here you can see this, search for appleid.apple.com, and from here tap on this small arrow button. Here you can see this, and now tap on create your Apple account from here, and from here try to create your Apple ID using this website. So guys, here you can see this, you have to give here all the information, and after this you have to simply check whether the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to simply go to the support section or this app, and from here you have to simply contact with the Apple support team, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply use any other PC or Mac or your device to create Apple account. Once you create Apple account there, you can sign in your Apple ID in this device as well. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.